How do you stop someone from taking screenshots on your Instagram story? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop someone from taking screenshots on your Instagram story. So first thing, just head over to your profile icon over here, and the first method what you can do is just tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and scroll down until you see the option called how others can interact with you on a section. So just tap on this restricted option over here. So from here what you can do is you can restrict some person just like this, and once you restrict them, they will not be able to view your story or post, and they will be limited to your post, and the post or story should be hidden from them from the Instagram itself. So that's the first method. So second thing what you can do also is, once you post your story just like this, so once you post your story, you may as well post this story as a close friends by eliminating that particular person whom you don't want to share with, and which will obviously hide the story from that particular person whom you don't want to share your story with. So you can also send them particular message for asking them for your privacy, just like that. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.